Welcome to today's video where we dive into the fascinating world of machine learning. Picture a future where computers learn and evolve, much like humans do, making decisions based on patterns, experiences, and insights. That future is, in fact, the present, thanks to machine learning. In this video, we will guide you through the captivating landscape of machine learning, starting with its definition and significance. We will explore the various types of machine learning, such as supervised and unsupervised learning, and delve into their real-world applications. We'll also briefly touch on the process of machine learning, from data collection to model deployment. And finally, we will discuss some challenges this field faces, including data quality and privacy concerns. Whether you're an educator, a student, a professional, or simply a technology enthusiast, this video will provide a comprehensive overview of machine learning. So, without further ado, let's embark on this journey of understanding machine learning. So, what exactly is machine learning? Glad you asked. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, where computers are programmed to learn from data and make decisions or predictions on their own. Imagine a child learning to identify animals. They don't instantly know what a dog is, right? The child learns by observing several examples of dogs, recognizing patterns like 4 legs, a tail, and a certain range of sizes. Now replace the child with a computer and the animals with data. That's machine learning in a nutshell. Here's where it gets interesting. Machine learning is a significant departure from traditional programming. In traditional programming, we feed the computer explicit instructions or rules to follow. We say, "Hey computer, if you see this, do that." It's a world of if-then statements. But in machine learning, we don't give the computer explicit rules. Instead, we feed it data and let it figure out the rules on its own. So instead of saying, "Hey computer, a dog has 4 legs and a tail," we say, "Here are a bunch of pictures of dogs. Figure out what makes a dog a dog." And voila, the computer learns to identify dogs. This shift is profound. It opens up a whole new world of possibilities. With machine learning, computers can now tackle problems that are too complex for a human to code solutions for. Problems that involve large amounts of data, intricate patterns, or require real-time processing. But remember, machine learning is only as good as the data it learns from. Feed it with poor data and it will produce poor results. Feed it with biased data and it will produce biased results. So, data is king in machine learning, and that's just scratching the surface. Machine learning is a vast field with various techniques and applications, from recognizing faces in photos to predicting stock prices, from powering self-driving cars to beating humans at complex board games. In essence, machine learning is a game changer, revolutionizing how we interact with technology. It's like giving computers a mind of their own, a mind that learns, evolves, and makes intelligent decisions. And we're just getting started. Now that we've defined machine learning, let's explore why it's so important. Machine learning is not just a fancy buzzword, but a driving force that's changing how we live and work. It's popping up everywhere, from the healthcare industry to finance and beyond. In healthcare, machine learning algorithms help doctors predict diseases before symptoms even appear. This predictive diagnostics approach is a game changer, potentially saving countless lives by enabling early treatment. Now let's look at the financial sector. Here, machine learning is used for fraud detection. These smart algorithms can analyze millions of transactions in seconds, spotting patterns and anomalies that might indicate fraudulent activity. This not only protects people's hard-earned money, but also boosts confidence in the financial system. From predicting diseases to preventing fraud, machine learning is making a real difference in our world. It's helping us solve complex problems, make informed decisions, and even save lives. As you can see, machine learning has a profound impact on our world today. Machine learning comes in different flavors. Let's explore them. Think of machine learning as a box of chocolates. Each type has its own unique taste, and they all work together to create a delightful assortment. The first type we're going to discuss is supervised learning. In supervised learning, we provide the machine with a set of inputs, or features, and the corresponding outputs, or labels. We're essentially giving the machine a cheat sheet, and it learns from these examples. A classic instance of supervised learning is email spam filtering. The machine is trained with a bunch of emails that are labeled as either spam or not spam, and it learns how to distinguish between the two. Next, we have unsupervised learning. In this case, we're not providing any labels. The machine is given a set of features, and it has to find patterns or groupings itself. It's like handing someone a jigsaw puzzle without showing them the picture on the box. A common use of unsupervised learning is in market segmentation. Companies use it to group customers based on their buying habits without any pre-existing categories. Last, but certainly not least, we have reinforcement learning. This is where things get really exciting. In reinforcement learning, the machine learns by interacting with its environment. It's not given any explicit instructions. Instead, it's provided with a system of rewards and penalties, like a virtual carrot and stick. This is how many chess-playing AI systems learn. They play thousands of games, continually refining their strategies based on whether they win or lose. On the surface, these three types of machine learning might seem quite different, but they all have one thing in common. They're all about learning from experience. Whether it's learning from labeled data, finding patterns in unlabeled data, or learning through trial and error, the goal is the same: to improve performance on a specific task over time. These types of machine learning provide us with powerful tools to understand and manipulate data. You might be wondering, where is machine learning used? Well, the answer is almost everywhere. Let's take a closer look. Machine learning has become a game changer in countless industries. In healthcare, for instance, machine learning algorithms can predict diseases before they become life-threatening. The algorithms analyze patient data, such as medical history and genetic information, to identify patterns and risk factors. This predictive analysis can provide early warnings for conditions like heart disease or cancer, leading to early interventions and potentially saving lives. In finance, machine learning plays a crucial role in detecting fraudulent transactions. By analyzing millions of transactions, it can learn to identify patterns that indicate fraudulent activity, alerting banks and credit card companies in real time. This helps to protect customers and financial institutions from financial loss. Now let's turn to a sector that we interact with daily: e-commerce. Machine learning powers the recommendation systems of online retailers and streaming services. Ever wondered how your favorite shopping site always seems to know what you might like to buy next? Or how your streaming service suggests shows that you end up binge watching? That's machine learning at work, analyzing your browsing and purchasing history to make personalized recommendations. In the field of autonomous driving, machine learning is the force behind self-driving cars. It helps these vehicles understand their surroundings, make decisions, and navigate safely. By analyzing data from sensors and cameras, machine learning algorithms can identify objects, predict their movements, and decide the best course of action, all in real time. And it doesn't end there. Machine learning is also used in natural language processing, enabling voice assistants to understand and respond to our commands. It powers image recognition systems that can identify faces in photos or detect objects in real-time video feeds. And it's even used in energy, helping to optimize power grids and predict energy demand. These are just a few ways machine learning is making a difference in our everyday lives. With every passing day, as technology advances, we can expect to see machine learning applied in even more innovative and impactful ways. Machine learning, like any other technology, comes with its own set of challenges. One of the foremost issues is the quality of data. If the data being fed into the learning algorithm is inaccurate or incomplete, the predictions and outcomes can be misleading. This is often referred to as garbage in, garbage out. Another significant hurdle is bias. The algorithms learn from the data they're given, and if that data is biased, the machine learning model will also be biased. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes, especially when used in sensitive areas like hiring or lending decisions. Privacy is also a major concern. With machine learning algorithms requiring large amounts of data to function effectively, there's an inherent risk of personal data being misused or mishandled. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of machine learning are immense. It's a constantly evolving field, with researchers and practitioners working tirelessly to address these issues and unlock its full potential. We've covered a lot of ground today. We've embarked on a journey through the fascinating world of machine learning, starting with its definition and how it diverges from traditional programming. We've explored its significance and its transformative effects on sectors like healthcare and finance. We've studied the different types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, and how they're applied in areas like spam filtering, market segmentation, and robotics. We've also touched on some common applications of machine learning and the steps involved in the machine learning process. And let's not forget the challenges that come with it, including data quality, biases, and privacy concerns. Now, isn't that a lot to digest? But don't worry, we're just getting started. In our next video, we'll delve deeper into each type of machine learning, providing real-world examples and exploring advanced concepts. So stay tuned. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. Don't miss out on our upcoming video where we delve deeper into the world of machine learning.